There are many big players on Raiden, starting with the fortress in the sky. Akira Hideaki was originally hired as a cybersecurity consultant. Now he's the safest and most powerful man in the system. He has full control of all satellites and space stations in the solar system. Nothing comes in or out without his say-so. Akira has worked tirelessly to aid those on the ground and preserves his youth, despite severe depression. Loneliness, helplessness, post-traumatic stress, all contributions as well as fits of mania. Cassidy Cloud, survivalist connecting a network of roaming caravans and outposts. Excellent leadership skills and knowledge on mechanics. Most have heard stories of lives saved, monsters slain, of hope. New Eden is a city closest to Paradise on Raiden, a force field over the city, as well as the servers and mainframe in the building at the center of the city. Under control of Noland, the advanced screening process keeps the city safe. No person is forced into the cyber initiative, though many still have augmentations. Vance and his men control many bunkers and outposts across Raiden. Some of the people in his employment are questionable at best. Much of the wastes are full of raiders, marauders, cannibals, and worse. Akira's largest concern is a rogue AI, the Lady Red. Dr. Morris Nilsson programmed the Lady as an interfacing intelligence to communicate with Hyperion technology. Shortly after the fall of Raiden 5, he began to lose his mind, as did the machine. They meld flesh and steel, experimenting to herald a new god, one legion under her control. Even with the horrors of the flesh, humanity might still be the largest threat to itself. What will your actions be? Where might your allegiance lie?